All right, so the Vanhelmont experiment. Vanhelmont was a Dutch scientist, and a long time ago, what he did is he took a bucket of soil. And so we're going to draw a bucket of soil. And this was just pure dry soil that he had. And let's say that the soil that he used was 50 kilograms. So you can imagine a big barrel of soil. He planted a small willow tree into this soil. So there's my little tiny willow tree. Willow trees have those long branches, and you see them around Mason and places like that. I know that on the golf course they can be, they like to knock golf balls down and prevent people from scoring. Somebody's, that's, and so we have that small willow tree. And the willow tree that he planted, let's say, just weighed 2 kilograms. Well, all he did with this particular experiment is he left this bucket of this willow tree out in the sunlight. It's the only thing that he did. And with that, he watered it. He provided it with water every day. So let's draw a little water spigot. So there's our water. And so he just provided it with the sunlight, and he gave it adequate water. So there's our water coming in. And then he did this for 5 years. So 5 years later, he took the tree and he separated the tree from the soil. So here's our tree, and we know it's going to have some large roots. And he was able to take all the soil off of those roots. So he separated the two. So when he did this, he remassed them, or he reweighed them, and he noticed the tree was now like 20 kilograms. And the soil was 49.8 kilograms. That's the Vanhelmont experiment. So we have the tree going from 2 kilograms to 18 kilograms. So the tree mass gained equals 20 minus 2, which equals 18 kilograms. The soil mass lost equals 50, which was your initial, minus 49.8, which equals 0.2 kilograms. And the big question was at that time, because this was done like in the 1600s, so quite a long time ago, was where did all this mass come from? Because it doesn't equal. These do not equal. So they wanted to know where did this come from? They didn't understand this at that time. They had no idea. Well, some people might assume that it came from the water in that case. And that was the biggest assumption that people had at that time, that all this came from water. What were they unaware, or what did they not know about? Put it in the chat. What at that time, we'll put down 1600s up here. Put in the chat, what didn't they know? What didn't they know? Again, they understood sort of what happened, but they thought all the mass came from water. Put in the chat what they didn't know.